Feeling energetic? So, thank you NYB for giving me this opportunity. So, एक छोटी सी कहानी से शुरुआत करेंगे. Once there was a farmer who wanted to become rich. He was in search of diamonds, real diamond mine. So, he bought a piece of land, but he was unaware that underneath his land was the real diamond mine. The problem was not the lack of opportunity, but where he was searching for exactly. So, what did he do? He sold the land. Next, the new buyer of the land, what did he do? He started farming in it. One day, he found a shining stone. उसे लगा ये कोई शोपीस जैसा है, उसे घर पे रखते हैं. उसने अपने घर पे रखा. एक दिन उसका फ्रेंड उसे विजिट करने आया. उसने उससे पूछा, यार ये तूने लिया कहाँ से? Then the owner said, from my farm. तो उसने बोला, यही तो रियल डायमंड है, यही तो असली हीरा है. So what lesson do we learn from this? The farmer had the opportunity in its hand, but he was unaware of its true potential. So how can we connect this story to NYB? NYB is our real diamond mine, and all our members are real diamonds. तो देखो, हम NYB मीटिंग में आते हैं, बिजनेस ओनर्स, प्रोफेशनल्स, एंटरप्रेनर्स से मिलते हैं, कार्ड्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं और चले जाते हैं. क्या इतना ही काफी है? नहीं. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू? कैन वी, इट इज इनफ? इज इट इनफ टू डिस्कवर द रियल डायमंड्स? नो. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू? सो वी शुड स्टार्ट विथ one to one. When you do one to one, just don't ask what business do you do. Understand who is your ideal customer, what kind of referrals you are looking for, how can I help you with the right person, what kind of industry I can help you with. See, a simple introduction can lead you to a opportunity, market of opportunities. So, see, you never know, the person sitting next to you can be a real diamond. एग्जाम्पल, हमारे नितेश सर के लिए, हमारे मेंबर तो मोहित सर तो है ही रियल डायमंड, वो तो है ही, बट हमारे गेस्ट भी रियल डायमंड साबित हुए हैं. सो गेस्ट्स आर आल्सो इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड गेस्ट्स आर आल्सो आवर रियल डायमंड्स. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट कम्स आवर 10 कदम पावरफुल मीटिंग. In 10 Kadam, we again come together and with a focused mindset and showcase our businesses and understand our members better and give referrals that convert into business. Okay, so what should we do? Things to do: first, attend the meeting regularly. Next, do more one-to-one. Next, let's participate in 10 Kadam meeting. Give referrals that convert into business. Then even invite more guests as much as possible. So let's connect, grow, rise and shine together. जो फार्मर ने गलती की वो हम नहीं करेंगे. So make sure that you don't leave any real diamonds behind. And अंत में मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी, don't underestimate the power of real diamond NYB.